Turmeric, the natural solution for lowering cholesterol? When you hear the word cholesterol, what immediately comes to mind? If you're like most people, it's probably something negative, something associated with heart disease. But the truth is that this waxy substance helps make essential things in your body, including cell membranes and hormones. It's also used to make bile acids, which help with digestion. High cholesterol levels are a severe health risk and can increase your chances of developing heart disease. For this reason, many people take statins or other medications to lower their cholesterol levels. You may have also heard that curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, can help reduce LDL, bad, cholesterol and raise HDL, good, cholesterol. The question is, does it really work? If so, how much should you take and how often? Does current research and studies support this claim? So let's dive into it. Difference between turmeric and curcumin. Turmeric has been used for so long in traditional medicine and, more recently, as a herbal supplement. Curcumin is a naturally occurring polyphenol in turmeric, curcuma longa, used as a spice in Indian and Asian cooking. It is believed to have anti-inflammatory properties, and some research suggests it may help reduce the risk of cancer and heart disease. Many take curcumin as an oral supplement or apply it topically to the skin. Both curcumin and turmeric are part of the ginger family. It's important to note that we often use these two terms interchangeably. They both refer to a rhizome with bright orange flesh, which our ancestors used as medicine for thousands of years. But there's much more to know about each plant than its color. For starters, all strains of turmeric have yellowish-colored roots, like ginger, but they may also have white or black spots or streaks running through them. Curcumin is naturally present within this root, however, you won't find much in its seeds or rhizomes because it's precarious when exposed to light and heat. What is cholesterol? Cholesterol is a waxy substance made in the liver and circulates in your blood. It's an essential part of your body's cells for good health. As a result of its many positive uses, cholesterol should be considered an essential nutrient. Risks associated with high cholesterol levels. When there's too much cholesterol in your blood, it can lead to health problems like heart disease or stroke. These health conditions occur when arteries become clogged with fatty materials such as cholesterol, which reduces blood flow to vital organs like your heart or brain. The other underlying cause may be that when you overeat saturated fat or don't exercise enough, the liver makes more cholesterol than your body needs. That's when you get high levels of LDL, bad, cholesterol in your blood. High levels of LDL can lead to many health problems. Turmeric may help lower bad cholesterol and raise good HDL cholesterol, but research should discover the benefits of turmeric for high cholesterol levels. Turmeric for cholesterol levels. Current research suggests that curcumin may help lower bad LDL cholesterol and raise good HDL cholesterol by up to 18%. However, researchers are still trying to figure out how much this impacts overall health outcomes. Taking curcumin appears to help lower LDL cholesterol, but it's not very effective on its own. But even if you have all these things and want to try curcumin supplements to see if they help lower your LDL cholesterol levels, there's more bad news for you. When you read the headline, "Curcumin helps lower LDL cholesterol," it sounds like a miracle. But here's the thing, that study was microscopic and only included people with high cholesterol levels. The researchers did not look at people who were overweight or had diabetes. And they didn't look at what other health conditions they might have been suffering from, like high blood pressure or inflammation in the arteries, which can cause plaque buildup. Curcumin may help lower bad cholesterol and raise good HDL cholesterol, but more research is needed before it should be considered a treatment for managing high cholesterol levels. If you're taking prescription medications to control your cholesterol levels, talk to your doctor before adding curcumin to your treatment plan. Curcumin is not a panacea for high cholesterol. It is an effective supplement alongside other lifestyle changes or medication. Still, it's less potent than many expect it to be on its own. How much turmeric should you take to lower cholesterol? Pick a turmeric supplement with a 150 to 250 mg dose of curcumin, preferably in a 2-capsule serving. This is a safe and adequate daily amount for reducing cholesterol. Although this bioactive substance in turmeric may help lower cholesterol, it's not a substitute for medication. The health benefits of turmeric are wide-ranging and impressive. In addition to being a potent anti-inflammatory, curcumin helps fight bacteria in your digestive tract and reduces symptoms of depression and anxiety. It also improves memory function in people with Alzheimer's disease and even helps protect against cancer. However, the question remains, does it help lower cholesterol levels? More research can confirm its beneficial impacts on lowering cholesterol levels. So always ask your healthcare provider before considering turmeric as a treatment for managing high cholesterol levels. Thank you for watching our video on the topic of turmeric and its potential to lower cholesterol levels. We hope you found the information helpful and informative. Remember to always consult with a healthcare professional before making any changes to your diet or supplement regimen. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness content. Thanks for tuning in.